Hey, I'm Caro, and I'm at the Khadi flagship store today in Berlin, and I want to introduce you to the Rose Repair Hair Oil. The Rose Repair Hair Oil has a moisturizing effect and is perfect for regenerating and repairing the structure of your hair. If you have thick, damaged, frizzy hair, I recommend our Rose Repair Hair Oil. Frizzy hair is usually very stressed and in need of care and moisture. Efficacious rose petals are used inside of the Rose Repair Hair Oil and help provide moisture to the hair. The Moringa plant provides the scalp vitamins and minerals. Your hair is like a plant. In order for the plants to bear beautiful flowers, you have to nourish the roots. Triphala has many antioxidants and is considered in Ayurveda as a rejuvenating agent. Spread 2 to 3 pumps in your hand. For optimal care, work the oil on your scalp, on the lengths of your hair and the tips. Let it be absorbed for 30 to 60 minutes. For best results, leave it in overnight. You can use it very sparingly as a leave-in conditioner. I recommend Rose Repair Hair Oil to all people with damaged, natural, frizzy, and coarse hair.